Major Muhammad Ali Shah is joining me on the broadcast for the story. Now, Major Muhammad Ali Shah, this is not the first time that an MiG aircraft has met with an accident. We also heard about Kunur. So, what should be done to actually stop these, and how do we get to the fact that all of these are facing the same fate? What needs to be done at this point?
See, basically it's like several MiG MiG-21 crashes have taken place. They have been reported this year as well. And the aircraft has been dubbed as, by, if I give a normal perspective, as flying coffins by a lot of people for these crashes only. And now, right from 1971 till 2012, I'll give you the data, 482 MiG-21 aircraft they've met with accidents. They've killed 171 pilots, 39 civilians, 8 service personnel and 1 air crew, which is a large number. Now, the government knows the facts. They know that they have been, it's a troubled aircraft. Russia stopped manufacturing MiGs in the 80s. And there was a film also called Rang De Basanti, where one of the actors, Madhavan, in fact, he was an aircraft pilot and he crashed. So there was a protest, there was a candlelight march, where there was an appeal to stop the manufacture or procurement or the flying of these aircraft. So the government should take care to protect the ones who protect the motherland by not actually using these kind of aircraft, because they are really prone to accidents and they've caused enough damage and a lot of casualties.
Alright, so how does one go about it? What should be the next course of action?
See, this matter was taken up in the parliament in May 2012 at that time. But still we are using MiGs despite that. So next course of action should be, I would say, stop the flying of MiG-21 straight away. On 27th February 2019, now Group Captain Abhinandan, that time Wing Commander Abhinandan Varthaman was aboard a MiG-21 Bison aircraft when he gave a chase to F-16 of the Pakistani aircraft, which was been manufactured by America. And he dropped the F-16, in fact. And we all saw his conduct in the Pakistani terrain. So for us, yes, we say it is not the machine, it is a man behind the machine, no doubt about that. But straight away, I would really urge that the use of these aircraft is stopped straight away. Now, when we talk about Wing Commander Varthaman, it's like a truck giving a chase to a Ferrari and thereafter overtaking and winning from the Ferrari. That was the skill of a pilot. But now, when you have a redundant equipment which is not really of much help, it's causing more damage rather. One should stop the use of that immediately. I'll give an example. In your own household, if you have an equipment which is giving, say, a dishwasher or a washing machine, which is giving short circuit, it's not being of any help. So what would you do? You would replace it straight away. Similarly, I don't think we should actually personally feel that we should go on, because going by the data, by the facts of this aircraft in the history, it has caused a lot of damage. So yes, there should be an urgent meeting, and there should be a proposal again from the Air Force coming actually, that we need to stop the use of this aircraft.